What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the pattersincarcare wheel cleaner. So if you guys that are watching, you ever watch David Patterson or that dude in blue, he recently came out with a detailing line, and today I'm going to be trying out the wheel cleaner. So as you can see, my wheels are super dirty. I haven't cleaned them in a long time. As if you can see, these are super dirty, and even the barrels. My barrels probably get the worst dirt. And I've used some other wheel cleaners, but I'm going to give this one a try, and hopefully it does pretty good. So it says to apply this and allow 45 to 60 seconds for the product to saturate onto the wheel, and it should turn purple. So we're going to spray it on here. So you can see it's actually turning purple on my rotor, but these wheels are pretty dark, so you probably won't be able to see it turn purple on my actual wheels. But I'm not going to try and actually clean the whole wheel. I'm just going to try and clean the face, but I'm going to get the inside just to see if it'll clean that up. Alright, so I let it sit for about roughly 30 to 45 seconds. So I don't have any hoses hooked up, so I'm just going to use the bucket of water. I'm going to splash it on here and see how good it cleaned it. Wow, that's actually a lot. Oh, you can't really tell. Oh, I got my phone soaked. Oh. So a lot of dirt came off of there, but let's see how clean the wheel is. And I didn't scrub any of these. I kind of just sprayed it on there and let it sit. Actually did pretty good. Still a little bit of dirt, but it looks a lot better. I'll have to wait and see when it dries, and we'll go from there. As you can see, it actually got a lot of the dirt off, so it's supposed to turn purple, and there's actually some more under there. So right now I'm going to use this brush, and it's a soft brush. Don't worry, I know some super hardcore detail guys, they use certain brushes, but this is a soft bristled brush, so don't freak out. But I'm just gonna scrub this inside a little bit, and I don't have a brush to get in the lugs, but I'm not a super hardcore detailer. I kind of just like to, I like my cars clean, but I don't go super deep into the detailing world there. But so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna see what I can get off. I wasn't expecting just the spray just to get, because this was super thick brake dust buildup, but it did get a lot of it off. I was very surprised. But I'm just gonna scrub this up real good, and then I'll wash it off, and then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I scrubbed the wheels with a brush, and I let them dry off. I dry them off with a towel a bit, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed. It actually came out pretty good. Now again, these aren't really fancy wheels, and I'm not super meticulous on how clean they are, but I mean, it actually came out really good. I'm very surprised, but pretty clean. I didn't clean the barrel. I didn't scrub the barrel. I don't have one of those barrel brushes, but I definitely have to invest in one. But I mean, it did not too bad. I think it did pretty good. All right, everybody, so I used the pattersincarcare wheel cleaner on just one of my wheels, and I'd say I'm pretty impressed. I think it's really good. I thought it was going to be pretty good, but I was reading the comments in the video, and a lot of guys were, debatable. They were thinking about it. They didn't think it was going to be very good, and a lot of companies make better wheel cleaner, they think, and blah blah blah. Everybody has a different perspective on different products and what works better. So, but me, I'm just an average guy. I'm not super into detailing. I would like to get into detailing, but for me, this wheel cleaner works really good. I like it. I'll definitely. This is a 32-ounce bottle, so I'll see how long it lasts. I think it'll last a while. I don't clean my car every day. As you can see, it's not very clean as it is now. So, but I definitely recommend trying it out and see if you like it. And if you like this video, leave a like. If you have a comment, let me know. And if you didn't like it, then you didn't like it. So, but thanks for watching.